episode of the Food Blogger's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my maple Snickerdoodle cookies. I shared these earlier this year and I did like a full cookie week. So if you want me to show you guys how to make all those cookies that I shared, then let me know. But this one, it's so good. And I use this base for like a lot of other cookies as well. But let's go over this and get started. I have some all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and a touch of cinnamon. And I have some granulated sugar here. And I have 2 eggs. And then I have some really high quality maple syrup, vanilla, some softened butter, more like melted. And I have some cinnamon and sugar right here. And this is going to be for like the topping, not the topping, but the coating. We're going to roll the cookies in, press them down, and put them on a baking sheet. Oh, I'm going to show you this real quick too. The baking sheet has like a little small square baking sheet, parchment paper. And then I have a little cookie scoop and a little spatula. And so now we can go ahead and get started because these cookies are so good. And if I remember correctly, they only take like 12 minutes to bake. So, you can eat them hot, warm, whatever you want to. And, you know what I'm saying, if you want to make this like a little like churro cookie, all you gotta do is drizzle some chocolate on it. And there's like another way I make this. I was trying to enter a tasty like cookie competition. It was like, I think it was like earlier this year. And I made those same cookies, but I actually put a layer of cream cheese in the middle. So it's like a cheesecake, like cinnamon cookie. Oh, woo woo. I think I have a picture on my Instagram, guys. It's so delicious. And, if you want to make that, all you have to do is just let me know, and I'll walk you through it if you want me to. But it's really just cinnamon and sugar, and then you like put it in the middle, you know what I'm saying? It's really easy. But, yeah. Okay, so I want to go ahead and put in my butter. And I'm just going to whisk this until it's nice and kind of fluffy, and I'll show you the next step. It's nice and fluffy. And now we can go ahead and add in our vanilla right here. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs. Get all that out of there. Just like that. And then for my recipe, it calls for like 2.5 teaspoons of maple syrup. Are we really measuring those? I mean, how many we going to measure with this? I mean, come on. So I'm just going to just do 1, 2, and a half. Spirit. Mix it up and I'll show you next step. So I went ahead and just whisked everything up. And I'm adding just half of my cocoa powder. half of my flour mixture into my wet mixture. And I'm just going to just kind of fold it. The reason why I don't really like use a whisk at this part, because I don't feel like getting all the stuff out of the whisk. So I just like, just do like, cross the bowl like that. And make sure you get every bit of that flour mixed in before we add in the next part. And then I think I haven't told you this, but I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I guess I already had the pan and everything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. Mix the second half in. And then I'll show you how to dip them in like the cinnamon sugar. So, hey guys. So, as you can see, when you get close right here, I've already scooped some out. Come on, get close in here. Show me. Got real close in there just like that. You know what I'm saying? And what I like to do with these is I like to just scoop them in there. I like to go in with my hands. If you're making these for like your guests or like people coming over or something like that, you can use gloves. Make sure that you're not touching it because like the COVID stuff. I'm not really worried about it. I know God got me, but but if you want to just take the extra caution, do so. I'm not feeding anybody outside my house, so we're all good. You know what I'm saying? So at the end, just shake off the excess. Come here, come close. Really make sure you get it on there and shake out the excess like that, okay? And then you're gonna put this on here and spread it out with your finger. All the pictures and stuff is on my website already. I did like I said, I did like a cookie week earlier this year. Shared a whole bunch of cookies, like 5 different cookies in like 1 week. And I'm really excited to. I might do videos on them, and I think it'd be really fun for like the holiday season. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake these for about 12 minutes, and I'll see you whenever they get done. So guys, these literally just came out, but they're not really like as hot anymore. It's only been like a few minutes. So what I like to do, can't speak. What I like to do is as soon as they come out the oven, I like to carefully, take the tops of them, put a little more sugar on there, and you don't have to do this, but I do it, for pictures and stuff. Just kind of get like the extra effect. You can actually see the sugar on top of it, but it's really good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to buy them because like they're nice and like cinnamony and sweet. And you look at that maple and the cookie. Ooh, it's so good. And my mom, she was telling me, as soon as they come out the oven, I want me one. I said yes, ma'am. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead. I think I have all them coated, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir myself up one. Still a little warm, so I don't want to burn myself. You know what I'm saying? Come close, come here. I'm here. And like I said, you can put some chocolate on here. So if you want to make it like a Cheerio cookie, sprinkle some chocolate. But look at that, huh? Oh, it's really nice and oh. It's like so spongy and like everything that you want. And it's shortbread. And a Snickerdoodle cookie is so good. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and bite into this. Whoa. I haven't did this in so long. I think February was like the last time I made them. Oh my gosh. Because like I love like a sugar cookie like dough, and then with the cinnamon on top of it, it's just like exquisite. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat these cookies. Me and my sister are ready to watch a movie, so we're gonna munch on these as we're watching the movie. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm sorry, I'm still with my mouth full. Oh my god. Oh, so good. Okay. So I hope that you guys love this episode, and please stay tuned for more. Links below. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.